everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to be making Parmesan garlic chicken wings. Very easy to do. It's baked, so you don't have to worry about so much oil being greasy. So I have here 4 pounds of disjointed wings. And now I'm going to put in 1/3 of a cup of olive oil, or any kind of oil, teaspoon of salt, and about 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now you just mix it all up. I have a 1/2 sheet pan which I lined with foil and I put a rack on it. I'm going to put the chicken all over it and I'm going to bake it. Try not to let the chickens touch so that they'll brown nicely. So I'll space them apart afterwards. Okay, the wings are done. It's been 1 hour at 425 degrees. I'm going to pour 1 stick of butter over it, melted, of course. 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. About 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. If you don't have fresh, you can use the dried ones. And 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, but I'm going to just use some of it and use the rest for garnish. Just mix it all up. This will be perfect for your ball game, your picnics. Your family will love this. The kids will love it too. Okay, I'm just going to plate this. Here it is. Oh, looks like the restaurant. And I'm going to try it. Smells good, looks good, and now let's taste it. So I'm just going to use my finger. Just the right amount of seasoning. Not too salty. And the chicken is fully cooked, really good. So you can also dip it in sauce. I have here a creamy Italian dressing, but they use other kinds of dressings too, like a Caesar dressing. So actually any kind of dressing that you want. And if you want hot sauce, of course, put that in, mix it in, or eat it separately. So let's try it. I can hardly wait to eat more of this because it's really delicious. And you see, this amount is not enough for my family. So I had to go out and buy another chicken. And do you know that one of the stores, they were totally sold out because today is Cinco de Mayo. But fortunately, I went to another store and I got a package of wings. So I'm going to make another plate for our family because I know they'll be licking it all up. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.